Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another plan with me in my Artake weekly tasks planner for the week of October 16th through the 22nd, and we're going to be using a wonderful kit from ReddHeadStickers. I almost said Planner Sister Sticker, and that is not correct. From ReddHeadStickers, I am so excited to share with you guys this amazing kit. So let's go through really quick what we have. So we have the journaling kit in Halloween Treats. This kit is still available in her shop, so if you want to save some money, you can use my code Megan and you will receive my fall and Halloween freebie. This is what it looks like, and it actually matches the kit pretty well, so you could use these items in the kit as well. And then I also decided to get some of her spider webs from her shop. She has them in clear and matte, and as you can see, I've used a few of the clears already, but I wanted to use these to add a little bit of spookiness to the spread. And then this is one of her die cuts that she's got in her shop. It's called Let's Go Ghouls die cut, and I thought this was really cute and it matched the colors super well. And then from last year, she had the Halloween dogs and then one of the journaling pieces kits that she has. She calls them torn paper on her website. And I thought these would go really well with the colors of the kit that we already have. So I pulled these from last year so that I could have them in my spread. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I have planned in this planner before, I do have last week's plan with me already up on my channel. It was using the mountain scenes and autumn trees deco. I think I said that wrong, but it's using that deco from Growing Modestly, and I really loved the way it turned out, and it was such a cute spread to plan in for the entire week, and I don't know, I just really love it. Alright, so we're going to move the deco to the side for now, and we're going to start with the items in the kit. And you know, I think just like last week, I think I'm okay to leave the colors of the boxes the way they are, because I think that this would be good. And the reason why I like her journaling kits is because it comes with lots of different things that you can use. You've got the date covers, you've got lots of different items in the kit. Like you've got journaling pieces, you've got deco pieces, you've got a habit tracker here, which we will be using, and I just really love her kits a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of the date covers to the spread. And usually I don't start with this side. Usually I'll start with the other side. But I wanted to add the date covers because these are so cute and it'll give me a basis to work with. So if you guys are wanting to get this planner for yourself, I will leave it in the description box. This is from the company Artake, and they are a sister company of Regoldenbook. So I leave all of their information in the description box as well, so you guys can see what kind of things that you want to get. And I love this planner a lot. All right, so I think I'm gonna start with this one and put it right across the edge of the spread here. Make sure I don't, that's what I was afraid of. I didn't want to go too far over, and I did. That's okay. Oh goodness, now I have messed it up here. Hold on, let me get my glue stick. Oh my gosh. Chandel, I love your kits so much. I don't even know if she's listening, but I know that she loves seeing how people use her kits. And I've actually gotten my mom hooked on Chandel's stickers. She's the owner of ReddHeadStickers, if you didn't know. And I've gotten her hooked on ReddHeadStickers stuff because she will message me and be like, hey, I'm ready to get more stickers. And I'm like, oh, great. All right, that habit tracker is very crooked, and I do not like it being crooked. So let's see if we can peel it without ripping the page. We did, yay. Okay. There we go, perfect. Okay, I definitely want to cover up some. And I don't think I have a washi that would go well with the kit. Because like I said, I don't want to cover up all of the words. But I might have to do that with a few to make it match. Let me go through my washi selection here. Okay, let's see if this will work. Ah, yes, perfect. Oh my gosh, this is great. This is actually from her Hobonichi kit, her Hobonichi monthly kit. And I was like, I don't even know if I have washi that would go with it, but this does, so that's good. And I do have some other items that I could pull if I needed them. Okay. I do want Let's Go Ghouls to go over here. And I'm thinking if we put it here, we can cover up 2 spots. Yeah, that looks like it's probably going to be the best option. I love this die cut so much. Oh, wow, that came up so nice. It's such a great sticker, too. All right, let's quickly, well, not quickly, carefully is what I wanted to say. Carefully lay this down. That's perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, and you know what? If I can lift these little guys up, we are going to not rip it, add one of these. I think if I cut it in half, it will work the way I want it. I'm cutting it at kind of an angle here so that it can look more like the, yeah, like that. Oh gosh, no. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. I didn't even need to peel these guys up. Oh well. Now we have that. Although this is the same. So I wonder if I could put it up here instead. Actually, we're going to put it here. And we're going to put this one right here. Okay, let's see. Alrighty, there we go. That's much better. All right, let's figure out where we want to put some other things. So I do still want this to be functional. So I wonder if I could stack it that way and put the balloons here. That's not bad. I actually really like that. That looks great. Okay. And I do like that this says notes. However, I think we're going to put this here instead. And let's figure out. I actually kind of don't want the same color, so maybe we will use this one. Have it that way, but that's kind of leaning the same direction, so maybe if I lean it the other way, it'd be better. Yeah, that's good. I like that. Okay, I think this side is good for now. We're going to move over to this here and keep that. And then, you know what we can do with this box? Because I like that it says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Or, you know, the weeks. But if I change it to a different one. Might be better. These are slightly different colors, which is why I did them sideways. If you hear a loud sighing, I apologize. It's Bruce again. He just really likes to make himself known in my videos now. There we go. That's cute. All right, let's add some more of these pieces here. This one's super cute. Do you want to put it here? Kind of thinking maybe here. We might have to rearrange this box. Wow, that came up literally almost perfectly. That was beautiful. Oh my gosh, that was great. I love that. And you know, we could probably still put this here. That's not bad. I actually really like the way this looks. Okay, we need to add more deco. Let's do some matte spiders. Everyone, that is it for this week in my Artake planner using the Halloween Treats deco and journaling kit from ReddHeadStickers. If you guys want to save yourself some money off of ReddHeadStickers, you can use my code Megan and get my beautiful freebie, and it'll save you 15% off of your order. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and check out the description box below for several different playlists related to different planner layouts and different crafting content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!